So you have a 3 milliliter of urine sample and you want to make a two-fold serial dilution in PBS up to 1 to 128. So show how to make each tube. So I start out with the original tube. So I'm going to take a first tube and then I will add 1 milliliter of PBS, which is diluting reagent. Then I'm going to take 1 milliliter out from the original tube. So since the volume now goes from 1 ml to 2 milliliter in total, the volume increased twice and then the concentration drops twice. So for the first tube, it's a 1 to 2 dilution. Then I'll repeat this process by taking another tube. As you can see, that I repeat the process. I add 1 milliliter of PBS diluting reagent. Now this time I take 1 milliliter out from the 1 to 2 tube, the one before it.